Hey y'all, it's Nettamonroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with a review and a little mini tutorial using Seditty hair. I'm gonna have the link down in the description box to their Amazon store. They reached out to me to do this video. They sent a 360 lace frontal in the texture body wave. It is 18-inch, and then also a pack of their Peruvian body wave hair, which is it comes with 2 bundles in it. So since it is a 360 frontal, that was definitely enough to make this. It is a very natural look. I normally would go way more full than this because this is more of like the density of my natural hair. But as you can see, it definitely created a full wig. How I installed this was I made a 360 lace frontal wig. I used a mesh dome cap. I am going to show you guys the inside of it when we get later on down the line. Now what I can say is I did bleach the knots. So once you bleach the knots, if you don't use anything to reseal those knots, then you will experience shedding. So immediately after I bleached the knots, I did start experiencing shedding from the 360 frontal, which is not uncommon. Anytime you are working with lace and you have bleached it, you want to make sure that you do not scratch at it or mess with it entirely too much, or it will shed and it will bald. I really don't have an issue with it because I wear lace a lot, but I know that some people do and it causes a really bad irritation. So just make sure that you know that if you are going to try a frontal, a 360 frontal, or even a lace closure, if you bleach those knots, not to like scratch at it too much or anything, because it will cause balding. This hair is 100% human hair. I wouldn't color this hair to a super light blonde, but it will definitely color to a dark blonde. I did do a strand test on that. In my opinion, this hair is really good for someone who switches their hair a lot. I wouldn't see myself reusing this, but it is priced so that you would be able to purchase it for every install. This hair does have a little bit of a temperament. If you do not secure your hair at night, like me, I am the type of person who I just lay on my hair and go about my business and wake up in the morning and expect everything to be gravy, and it's not. This hair might be a little bit of a struggle for you, but what I can say is that even though I go straight to sleep on the hair and I wake up and have a bit of an issue with the way that it looks, it does comb right through, and then I end up getting this result again. So it's not anything that you can't detangle. So what I'm about to show you guys is the shedding that I got from me not rolling up my hair, not securing my hair in any kind of way, waking up and combing my hair out. So I deal with this on a daily. This is how much it is that comes out. Now what I will say is, when I was rolling up the hair, since the hair didn't have a chance to tangle while I was tossing and turning all over it, it did not shed like this. But since I have not been tying it up, it does shed. That is why I'm telling you guys to make sure that you secure your hair, braid your hair up, roll your hair up, wrap your hair up, whatever it is that you have to do at nighttime before you go to sleep, so that you don't have to deal with so much shedding. The hair sheds anyway, but it wouldn't shed this much if I just did what I needed to do before I went to sleep. I absolutely love the luster on this hair. It is a really low luster, which for me makes it look more realistic. Since I am natural, I don't ever straighten my hair bone straight, so my hair does not have a very high luster. The feel of the hair for me is not as soft as what I'm used to, but it's not like a hard or rough texture either. It's like right in between the two. If you're not new to my channel, then you know I really don't use a whole lot of hair products in my hair extensions, so I have not used anything in this hair. The shipping was super fast. My order went in on Thursday. The bundles came in on Saturday, and the 360 frontal came in on Monday. I don't know exactly why they both came in differently when it was all in the same order, but you know, nevertheless, it still was super fast for this delivery. If you have any other questions about the hair that I forgot to mention, make sure that you comment it down below. Also, make sure you check out the description box. The price for the hair and the direct links for the hair are going to be down there. So now I'm going to hop into the tutorial on how I installed this 360 unit that I made, and then I am also going to show you guys a couple of the hairstyles that I like to wear when I am wearing a 360 unit. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you stay tuned.
So now I'm just showing you guys exactly what the wig unit I made looks like. I did have to take out a chunk of the lace because the 360 was too large for my head. And then I like to place the adjustable straps to their tightest setting, which helps for ponytails.
So now I can show you guys, I've slicked back all my edges because of so much hair has grown. And so these braids are slanted, the rest are straight back. These slanted braids right here, I braid all the way down, and then this is across. All of my braids have grown out a significant amount, as you can see, and this is after 1 week. So now I'm going to place my wig. So I'm just going to put the wig on exactly how I want everything to be. You want to make sure that those elastic straps, those adjustable straps in the back are underneath that back braid, because you want to be able to readjust if you need to. And I'm going to make sure my ear tabs are in the right spot, and they're not, so I'm going to shift this over. So here's my needle. I'm just going to stick it in my shirt. I actually do this a lot just to keep tabs on it since I'm doing this all myself. I'm going to feel around for that front braid, which unfortunately is all the way back here now. It was a little bit more forward, but my hair grew. So now that we have that in place, I'm going to go ahead and take my needle and begin to sew on that braid through the lace. So now I'm going to part above the adjustable straps. This is really important because you want to be able to adjust the straps while it's still on your head so that you don't have to do the process all over again. So I'm just going to part right above that area where the lace is. And I am just going to separate this hair from the rest. Is just choose a couple of random places through the front of the lace just to help anchor it down. So now the final thing to do is to secure the ear tabs and to also lay the baby hair. Baby hair is definitely an option. As you can see, I don't have any of them laid and it looks really damn good. How I lay my ear tabs is by using the Got to Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel. So all I do is lay the ear tab exactly how it's going to be, and then I take the Got to Be Ultra Styling Gel and I just lay it right over top of that area, and I'm gonna leave the ear tabs up for a little bit for that to get tacky. So now I've let the sideburn areas sit for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the ear tabs into place. And now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of that same gel, and I'm just going to put just a little bit across the hairs, not a whole lot. And I'm going to take this edge brush here and just place everything exactly where I want it. So now I've laid everything exactly how I want it to be, so I'm just going to tie it down. I'm also going to curl my hair while it's tied down to save time, and I'll be back.
Guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video was a little more long-winded than what you guys are used to, but I had a whole lot of information to fit into this one video. Don't forget to check out the description box. Both of the links to the 360 frontal and the bundles will be down there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you guys can see all of my upcoming videos. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Hold it up, we gon' burn it down.